Okay, everyone, welcome back to the lecture. Now, in this lecture, guys, I'll be talking about inner join operation. So there is multiple different kind of a join. The very first join that I think we all should learn is inner join. So let's try to understand what is inner join. But before that, please make sure that you have watched a previous lecture because this lecture depends upon the previous lecture, by the way. Yeah. So you have to have this table and this ER diagram. Otherwise, it will be difficult for you to understand. So now let's start doing some sort of a join operation, guys. So like I said, a very first join which I'm going to teach you is called as inner join. It's very simple. It's not difficult at all. So see, whenever there is a table T1 and let's suppose there is a table T2. Yeah, there are two different kind of a table. Somehow these two tables are related. In our cases, obviously, we have attached those table with the help of some of the column name. We have already done that, and that's the reason. So we are able to see our ER diagram. So where we are able to see a data modeling properly. Now, so if I'll talk about inner join operation, right? If I have to talk about the inner join operation, it's very simple. So whenever you are looking for a data, right? Whenever you are looking for a data which is common between two tables, means whatever data is common between a table T1 and a table T2, if you are looking for that kind of a data, that is called as inner join. So with the help of inner join operation, you will be able to fetch a data which is common between these two tables. It's that simple actually, right? It's that simple. Now, how we can try to write a query with respect to this inner join in MySQL or anywhere in any SQL. So command is going to be almost same. So I'll try to take a questions, and with the help of questions, we'll try to learn this inner join operation, by the way. So let's suppose someone is going to ask me a question that, okay, you have an order table. So yeah, we do have order table. Maybe I can try to show you. So select star from ORDERS order table. Yeah. So we have basically a order table, right? We have basically an order table. Inside that we have order ID, customer ID, order date, total amount, status, campaign ID. So all this data we have inside my order table. So I have an order table and then I have a customer table as well. So where I have a customer information, CUSTOMERS, customers information I have. So yeah, inside the customer information, so we have customer ID, customer name, email ID, phone number, and these sign up data. So now if I look into the ER diagram, so we have a customer a table and we have a order table, and obviously customers are going to do some sort of orders, right? Customer will try to do some sort of order. They will try to purchase some of the products. Now, I would like to know that, so whatever ordered is been placed, right? Whatever ordered is been placed, basically, for all those orders, give me all the customer information. Yeah. So who have placed what orders, basically. This is what I'm looking for. So who has placed what orders? So that maybe I can try to reach out to those customers and those paid customers, and then maybe I can try to take some sort of a feedback or maybe some sort of a suggestions if they have. I can look into that, or maybe I can try to personalize the relationship between customers and my organization. So I just wanted to fetch a data. So where order for all the orders, I need a customer detail, and we know that these two tables are connected. So we have customer ID inside the order table, right? We have a customer ID inside the order table. So what I can do is that I can try to map maybe a customer ID, means whatever customer ID that we have inside the order table, and then customer ID inside the customer table. If I'm going to match it, if I'm going to map these two, maybe I will be able to get that information, right? Maybe I will be able to get that information. Now, obviously, I'm looking for a data, right? I'm looking for a data which is common between order table and the customer table. Agree, right? So we are looking for a data which is common between order table and a customer table. So obviously I have to use what? I have to use a inner join operation. Yes, because inner join operation does what? So inner join operation is going to give you a common data set between two tables. As simple as that. Okay, let's go ahead and do it. So here what I will do is that select star from ORDER orders table, and I'm going to give an alias as O instead of using orders again and again and again. Alias I can try to give alias is equal to O. So select a star from order, select all these things from an order table, right? And then just do one thing. So call inner join, right? Inner join with customer, customers, customers table, alias is C. So select everything from an order table, inner join with the customer table. So obviously from a customer table also it is going to select everything based on what condition? So based on, so on is a keyword which I am going to write. So based on what? So based on basically, so inside this order table, so we have something called as customer ID, customer underscore ID is equals to, inside the customer table, we have customer ID. Yeah. So just try to match a customer ID from order table and try to match a customer ID from the customer table and then give me a data. Now, eventually this is going to give me the required information. So this is my required information, guys, right? So here we have a order ID data, order ID information, and then here we have basically a customer table information. This is a information coming from the, this is the information coming from the customer table, and this is the information coming from the order table. Now I know just by looking into this data that, okay, order 301 is been done by customer this one, and this was the customer name, this was the email ID, this was the phone number, this was the sign up date. For this order, I know all the information. For this ones, for every order, I know all the information. As simple as that. So with the help of inner join, I'm able to fetch this information. Okay, this is one of the inner join. Now next, yeah, next. So let's look into this like a ER diagram once again. So we have a product table, right? We have a product table somewhere. We have a product table. Yeah, we have this product table. Now, so we have to find the product that is been ordered, because there can be like hundreds of product and everyone is not ordering all the products, right? Or maybe all the products is not been ordered so far. So I just wanted to know that which product is been ordered so far. Yeah, I just wanted to know that which product has been ordered so far. So we have a product table, right? But product table is all about the products, right? It is going to give me the list of all the products. How I will be able to find out that this like which and all products has been ordered? So we have a order detail table, and inside that order detail table I have a product ID. So if I'm going to map these two tables, right, with the help of inner join, so it is going to give me the information which is common between product table and the order table. It simply means that I will be able to fetch information about a product which is been ordered. Yeah, about a product which has been ordered. Okay, let's do it then. So here what we can do is that select SCLACT, select star from what? So from maybe a product table, PRODUCTS, products as P, I'm going to give an alias, and inner join what? So inner join with the order detail table. So ORDER details table, DTAILS, details table, I'm going to give an alias OD on what? On what condition I have to write, right? So product P dot product ID should be equal to order detail table dot product. So wherever these two is matching, PRODUCT underscore ID. So wherever these two things is matching, just give me all the detail, all the information. So eventually I will be able to get all the information about the product which has been ordered. So yeah, product 101 ordered 3 times, product means I can see 3 records basically. How many times or quantity I can check over here. Product 102 3 times, product 103, then 4, then 5. So yes, I have all the information, and I have even some information from the order detail page, right? That what was the quantity which was ordered, everything I have. Yeah, everything I have. So yeah, now I know that, okay, these are the product which is been ordered. If we have maybe something product 106, let me see, select a star from products, and this should give me, yeah, so we have in total 5 products, and all these products looks like that someone has ordered. Yeah, all of this product has been ordered, and I got the confirmation from the join operation. Now, so a third operation which I would like to show you is that we are running a campaign, right? Let me look into this ER diagram. So we are running a campaign. Fine, we are running a campaign. Now, some campaign will perform, some campaign will not perform, and that's true. That's a reality, right? So some campaign will from some campaign I will be able to bring a lead, and that lead are going to purchase a product. Some campaign I'll run, but that will bring a lead, but eventually that will not be able to convert into a final purchase. Possible, right? Possible. So I just wanted to know that which campaign, right? So we have to find a campaign that is technically converting into the orders. Yeah. So that is technically converting into the orders. Means I have to find out some relationship between campaign and order, and that relation is already there, right? So we have a campaign ID, and then this order ID also we have a campaign ID. We have already attached it, right? So with the campaign table. So if I will be able to find out a common data between order based on the campaign ID, right? Based on the campaign ID, if I can try to find out the common data, I will be able to know that yes, which campaign is basically converting into the orders, right? Which campaign is available inside the order table, which campaign ID is available inside the order table. So fine, let's do it. And again, obviously inner join, because I'm looking for a common data between two tables. So here select star, select everything from what? So from maybe campaign. Let me give an alias is equal to C. Inner join what? So inner join with basically orders, order table. Let me write O for that. On what condition? So on a campaign ID condition, because campaign ID is something which is common between the campaign table and the orders table. Okay. So here we can try to write on C dot campaign underscore ID, which is available inside my campaign table, and then O dot campaign underscore ID, which is also available inside my order table. Okay, execute it. And yeah, so campaign ID 201 is available inside the order table. Campaign ID 201 is available 2 times. 202 is available, 203 is available, 204 is available. So these are the campaign ID, right? These are the campaign ID which is getting converted into some of the orders, right? These are the, and again, even a status from the order table I will be able to find out. So these are the campaign which is giving me the result, and other campaigns are not giving me the result. Very simple, right? So this is all about the inner join, guys. Again, so I'm going to attach a lot of assignments with respect to the same situation, same scenario. Try to solve the assignments. All the assignments are pretty much important, and once you are going to write a couple of queries by yourself, believe me, everything will be done. You will be able to learn, and you will be able to retain it for a very, very long time. So with that, thank you so much, everyone. See you again in my next lecture.